AI takes the pulpit. A digital sermon? Imagine this. You walk into a temple, but there is no priest of flesh and blood. Instead, a holographic figure with a soothing voice greets you. It knows your name, your worries, your aspirations. It offers comfort, guidance, and a sermon tailored just for you. This isn't science fiction. This is the intriguing intersection of artificial intelligence and spirituality. We are on the cusp of a new era where AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a companion in our spiritual journeys. From robot priests performing ancient rituals to chatbots offering solace and scriptural interpretations, AI is changing how we connect with the divine. This fusion of technology and faith raises profound questions. Can AI truly replace human priests? Can algorithms replicate the human experience of spirituality? And what does this mean for the future of religion? Let's delve into the fascinating world of AI-powered faith and explore its implications for humanity's spiritual quest. Silicon saints and algorithm alters AI in religious practices today. AI is already making its presence felt in places of worship. In Japan, a Buddhist temple employs a robot priest to chant mantras and perform funeral rites. This android, modeled after the deity of mercy Kannon, highlights how technology can help address the shortage of priests in aging societies. Virtual churches and online religious communities are also gaining traction. These digital spaces leverage AI-powered chatbots to provide 24/7 spiritual guidance, answer theological questions, and even facilitate prayer groups. While some may view this as a pale imitation of in-person religious experiences, others see it as a way to make faith more accessible and inclusive.
The engine of enlightenment, decoding AI's role in religion. The rise of AI in religion is fueled by several factors. One is the increasing sophistication of AI technologies like natural language processing and machine learning. These advancements allow AI to understand and respond to human language with remarkable accuracy, making it possible to engage in meaningful conversations about faith and spirituality. Another factor is the growing demand for personalized religious experiences. In an increasingly secular and individualistic world, many people